Danke. Siyabonga. Welcome to the Mfumfing for Show. DJ Sida.
Kazlam.
Ugrand.
I'm name
Ngiyahamba. Akupha ama turntables mfana usijayivisa kancane.
Ngijayivisa kancane. Yes. Khona phiduzana. Yeah.
That Mfumfing for Show brought to you saliposa zabaleka ama data bundle ayisikhiwa. Brought to you by Dab 3 Events. Your priority, our satisfaction. Bathandekayo. We have a special announcement that I've been announcing in the past episodes. Patrons account is there below the link pants konapo. You just make sure you join our patronage and then make sure you subscribe for $5. It's very, 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 very cheap. My name is Sipo Maysentiniati, and this show is also brought to you by Enkundleni Photo Cinematography. Those who do company profiling, visuals, and also if you are in need of online advertisement. Yes. Cruising nice. We're cruising. Yes. Enkundleni Photo Cinematography. If you want your digital online marketing, you make sure that you contact us. And also brought to you by Ogohle Designs for all your graphics, for all your roll-up banners. If you need any graphics for advertisement, please make sure that you contact Ogohle Designs. Namhlanje, I'm with the number one local pioneer sound DJ is Kipan.
Amesha.
Gehamba mntana.
Gehamba.
Yes. DJ Sida, we are seeing you in your come up. We are tucha baba uzwakali. Try when you tuchu tell. Gashesho. Yes. Uchama one man show house quite a movement. Skies Metro show. Gafiwa. Yes. So how do you come up? Uqala njani uhambo lwakho lokuba DJ?
Okay. Uqala uhambo lokwa DJ uqala 2019. 2019 waqala le church.
Okay.
Le church. So le church sasijala ukushuna sasenza sound yabona ngangu media team. So kuthi welinye ilanga se-church compound kwakuyi all night prayer. So wathi sicela njani i-media team njani phangise sitha namhlanje kuyashesha.
Yes.
Siyakhala. So la ngikhona kwampana. So yima ngaku disk ilanga la khona yima ngamixer. Thuchu. Sesuku service. Ngabe ngathatha ukuthula idoti sound yeso. Into ngithula idoti sound
uyayenza njani ngokuyenza idoti sound?
Ngazwakala. Ngiclear.
Okay.
Isivele siyale iklabalala so into ngazwakala. So into yenzakala laphana after service ekuseni. Umuntu owayestrainer umideka wambize ecela nta mfana izolubondile. Azingaba lokuchiseka phakathi ngoba vele into engangiyithanda kakhulu. So uthe kunjalo ngadayi. Mana sukele kunjalo. Ngahlala nje kwesikhathi about 2 to 3 weeks. Ngidinga nje umuntu ongangifundisa sound. And futhi ngangiready ukubhadala ngoba vele into engangiyithanda kakhulu. Adiba uNkulunkulu vele yakwazi ezenza izimanga. Amechasana lo bekezela.
Okay.
Member umunye wale Dab 3 Events khona lapha. Okay. So nje ngichayisane laye. Am approach ngathi akubeke nawuthangu Sydney. But abantu babiza Sida.
So Sydney is one.
Sydney shwawo.
Okay.
Yeah. So kuthe kunjalo. Umbuzo ubeka umbuzo wathi so mfana makunjini lapho ufuna ukufunda or ufuna ukusebenza. Yabona. So ngathi hayi mina njani. Ngifuna ukwenza konke. Ihle ngifunde ihle ngisebenza kawani. Ngoba vele kwangiyela into engangiyenzayo. But is fine. Ube kusasa. So nje avela zana.
Vele sithi kuye kusasa you ready.
Vele. Wase umphuzile ukuthi ukusevele. Avela kusena abo 6 ngamfonela. Awambize ngafike e-studio sakhe. Hayi kwasaqala khona vele yonke inyaka yahle yaqalela compound.
Okay. So ubeke ngiyokufundisa how to
ubeke vele ngokufundisa
professionally.
Yes.
Okay. After that awusayenzi inyaka khona owayenza.
Yeah, oba ngcono. Angeke ngithi angisayenzi inyaka ngoba phela ama mistakes sonke siyawenza. Yabo. But oba ngcono. Yeah.
So now you then is that when you started falling in love with the local sound leyo oyipusha kakhulu?
Or local music. Okay, ngaqasa ngithi vele yabona isound ye local abantu abaningi abayithandi.
Why?
Bathi yabhoa in terms of equality. Asini quality yana nganithi njengaleni emazweni. And then okunye balutshwane vele abantu abasupport local. So nxa local
bayenza kuyini ukuthi abantu abaningi abakhona apha local ukusupport local.
Bathi yabhoa.
Bathi yabhoa.
So nxa thina singayipushanga iyaphushwa ngubani? So
wena uyayithanda.
Ngiyayithanda vele ngoba vele ngiyathanda vele amathisa akobulawayo khona vele ngona vele ngiphusha yona. Wonke ama-setup angiwenza I make sure ukuthi ngiyafaka local music phakathi.
Okay. So like in terms of you growing you push local music, so you've been DJing kuma gigs.
Yes.
And how is the reception now when I'm also getting usufake local?
Yeah, kulento leyani ukuthi nxa uchaya nti in fact mangathi audience bayathula belalele bethi okay bayezwa isound le ayisiyo abayijayeleyo. So mina lokho kana vele ngiyangela ndaba lapho. Mina into engiyabe ngifuna ukuthi music yakho napho kobulawayo siyiphushe nje iyazakala iyazwa ngabantu ukuthi la siyakwazi ukwenza njalo. Khona ukwenza ngabantu la siyakwazi ukuphusha.
Since when le passion yokupusha music yakho kobulawayo uyinzalo yakho napho kobulawayo?
Hayi mina ngazalele Harare.
Oh khona le Mpumalanga. Ngazalele Harare then ngaye Gwanda then ngasembuya lapho. So what you Harare Gwanda Bulawayo.
Kwantutu.
Not Bulawayo.
Yes. Bulawayo. So ngazalele Harare 2001 eParanga to hospital esibhedlela esikhulu kakhulu khona eZimbabwe. So ngithenza le Harare then ngabuya eGwanda. Then ngasembuya ngapha. Ngafunda eGwanda then ngafunda ngapha. Ngafeyila ifact eGwanda.
Udali.
Ayeke ngithi ngidali. Amlezi. Ngangilezi.
Yabo. Khola ihle kuthiwa amasiloleni.
Amasiloleni.
Okay.
But ngangikwazi uNkulunkulu ukhona ngigcinele khona ukukhulu.
And how does MJ Sings play a role in your DJ career?
Yeah. Yabona manje. MJ Sings wambona vele ngikhula. First day ngiqalisa vele ukuthi
sengikhona ngathi wakubona ekhulu manje.
Already wambona ngiqalisa.
Hawubona ukukhula zwathi vele is a godfather yakho.
Godfather yami.
Okay.
Ngiyakubeka kanjani? Okay, umuntu vele waqala. Vele artist lokuqala kobulawayo engaqasa ubalazi. Oh, this is MJ Sings. Okay. The sound yakhe ayichaya yeah nandi afro type. Afro soul, yes. So first day ngiqalisa vele ubekeze embizi. Ngamthola ecompany kube babe tuning project lawo babeyenza. So we were introducer this MJ, this is Sida. So yonke inyanya vele iyayazi from start. Ngingakwazi ukuthi laptop into enjani, i-mic stand ivulwa njani, intambo egoqa njani. Iyakwazi yena vele ngombona vele.
Interesting. So uhlangana nobeke he did not teach you how to DJ, wakufundisa the whole sound engineering process.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Wamfundisa the whole sound engineering.
Yes.
Ngwavele bona ikakhulu edepthela baphusha sound engineering. Sipusha. Right, sipusha sound engineering. But mina ngiyathanda uchaya ingoma. Ayayaya. Uchaya ingoma ngiyakutanda she vele ukuthi yakuthanda vele kusegazini.
Yikho vele ukufuna
vele ngikufuna vele. But nxa umuntu kumele uyazi into just in case la uhlala ready. Uthi ungathanda ukugula ukwanisa ukwenza. But vele DJ ngiyakuthanda uyokuserious. Ngithanda ukudlula yonke into.
Most kobulawayo ama DJ labahlabeleli isithanda ukuthi lihlabelela abafazi. Is it the same case with you?
Hayi, mina push talent, push goal, vision. Yebo. Vision. Mina wabafazi hayi. Maybe bona bathanda mina, yabo.
Maybe.
Yeah, but maybe banthanda, angazi. Ngithanda abafazi.
Wena ususezana?
Hayi ngiyashiya kunjalo.
Sida, now how did your family receive the idea of you being a DJ?
Very wangele choice. Wangela vele into engangenza so
I have to fail.
So why not I pay? It's okay son, you can do it. But waqale ngani into yakhona icaci ethi hayi into yenza le ayikhanye vele wenzani ndikumsebenzi what ngathi hayi mina umsebenzi wami
mostly owayikhuluma kakhulu njalo manje
masalo daya mfana nje into yakho le ayicaci vele awukhanye into yenzani ndikumsebenzi ngathi hayi masalo mina vele umsebenzi wami yiyona lo yikwenza la khona vele enza fela khona so yakwaba njalo but ngoye kwesikhathi siyabona ukuthi hayi mfana njani into lekhaya ayithanda serious xa sokusupporta lapha
so elokushini lakho ndoda ushaye one man show yenye ngathambanga
yazibezirita kurandamuka azibezikhala
so I noticed ukuthi when you said you're all about uplifting igasi lakho how was the reception yabo bebona ukuthi DJ ushayele show enzima lapha eBhawa?
It was good. Ngawufaka nendlela ngoba ukwenza olutho lapha ukhulele khona kumbe lapho ohlala khona for mina it's a big move. So ngafuna showcase italent lami ukuthi lami I can do this. Yabo. So vele i-main case yokuthi yenze show liyana ngafuna uzimarketa then growth. Ngafuna uzipusha vele lami abantu bengazi ukuthi hayi ngomfana uthi DJ Sida. Lami ibe rated as one of the best DJs lawayo in Zimbabwe.
Igasi lakho kade sidiphi?
Mpopoma.
Okay. Ishow wayenzela ngani?
Ngayenzela Mpopoma ama-20 apha ekadeni.
Kugcwele phambi.
Awugcwele phambi. Kusayunyanyeka. Awunyanyeka hayi, awugcwele sibili.
So you didn't get more like opposition abantu beku despise ukuthi ubona ngathi usida sebengu DJ since when?
Hayi, abantu vele babengazi ukuthi ngu DJ right but babengakwazi ukuthi ngile ngathi talent ngiyakwazi ukwenza lamulutho othi ngeke lwenza kahle yabona ukwenza vele one man show yana it was a big move ngoba karisi so far nxa ngihamba egazi ngihamba ngicashile Sida yabona
vele so celebrate
sengingatsho njalo celebrity but angabe li celebrity angafiki lapho emfufika khona ngathi vele ngisase ku sakhulu
when alright ngiyakuza ukukhuluma ukuthi wena in DJing you have a broader vision, there's somewhere where you want to go, ufuna ukuya ngaphi?
Ufuna ukuya overseas na vele i-main goal yami I want to tour the world yabona ngifuna kuya Spain States Netherlands. Ngifuna labo Dakapo, Shimza, Black Coffee ngomember those guys by inspire kakhulu. Ngoba into ezinhle ngizifunda liwe. Ama sets ngiyabukela ama videos abo. Uthi okay, benza so, lapha ngiyakwazi ukwenza lokho. So ba inspire ngoba mina ngakutshela mina angilali ebusuku.
Awulali ebusuku?
Angilali ebusuku.
Usenza umthakathi amathente ebusuku.
Hayi. Yebe ngithuna number esazi DJ ya. Nxa nga DJ ngiyam produce.
Oh, you do your own music also?
Yes, yeah, I do my own music. So nxa nga produce ngiyabe DJ ya. Ngiyeza ukuthi lami I want to perfect my craft with my skill. Yabo. Ukuba the best of the best. Igoal yami.
So you're putting in work. Ababelele.
Ababelele mina vele zazirandamuke ebusuku. Kulento lana esikole ukuthi kuyabula lawana abafika esikole anti beso sidlalisa kathi vele abalala besezani. Balalo babelala ebusuku wonke umuntu ishaye pass ukuthi ukuhamba njani umuntu ophethola sidlala sonke. So nami into engenza. Yabona ke sidlalile bhala u4 vele ngilale kathi na vele andale ebusuku. So into engenza. Okay. Andale vele ngiyaphusha.
Also uyaphusha vele awudlala.
Ngiyaphusha vele. Esilungu ngayanga emazweni overseas aso ze ngirest.
You want rest?
I want rest. Yes.
But we're watching you, we're seeing you progressing bit by bit. To a point you managed to host your own show at Skies Metro.
Skies Metro. Ufika kwami Skies Metro singathi kwaqala vele yazala ihouse quite movement.
Oh,
yes. Kule show lena uthi house quite movement. So ngachaya set ngachaya 5 hours set ngachaya local music only local
5 hours.
5 hours.
I remember seeing abantu bepeso.
Kanza umbona lo boss lona we Sky sipeso kakhulu. So ngachaya set 5 hours ngachaya local music only. Kuphela azange uthanga ngama kumuntu wakhuluma. So yiko kwangenza ngothola ithuba lokuthi ngechaya emsakazweni. ngathi awugayelo le talent siyamfuna ngoba vele local music kanti bayishoda abalutshwana abantu abachayi
Yes.
so konkena kwavala igame uthi lami ulo DJ okwazi uchayi local music isikhathi eside yabona so lami ngahla ngathi
DJ Sida ochayi isikhathi eside.
yeah DJ Sida ochayi
local isikhathi eside.
So lami compare wangeza ngathi I was like wow so lami I can do this so yiba ngathola khona ithuba lokuthi ngechayi emsakazweni so manje nama shows angiwenza every Friday isikhathi bethu from 7:30 to 9.
So like how is it the experience ukuqala ngoku DJ live, like if you are DJing live lapha uchayela abantu then the experience then with DJ akungena abantu eSky's Metro, how does it make you feel?
For me it was a big move ngawuqala kunzima isadi ngoba yabangwa abantu okay ama comments abantu yabona ukuthi okay umuntu lo yakhona ukwenza into enje so my first time vele ukuchaya Sky's Metro vele lapha kwasebenza umlimo ngama comments was wow vele kwakufiwa ngoba isetting ayichaya ngachayi after hours iyakhla fikela yaphezulu local music kuphela so experience ya ukuchaya emsakazweni yenze ngaphusha ka race ngaze ngafika ku stage leseyingiso ngawubuya ngale ndlela yeah.
Now you are the most booked.
Yeah.
So ufika la uthiwa ungaphi lapha uthiwa ungaphi khona phe eGwanda. How is it DJ? Esitsheketsheni uthi DJ lo utsheketshe.
Ya kushapha kumnandi kakhulu ngoba yenye audience ubuhlangana abantu ukuthi okay abantu laba bafuna into enje. Awufani nokuthi uchaya emsakazweni awufani nokuthi ama shows uvela ama shows esebenza konke uvela sifunda every show esiyenzayo ama-set anye ngithi alright kale maybe le show lesi ngachaya setting guitarist zaphinda ngiphinde futhi lapha so abantu wale music abayithandayo so nxa njengo DJ mele already crowd okay abantu bafuna into enje ubanike izinto abayifunayo uyakuthi go.
And when who inspires you? Okay, for let's say imagine for locals, kuma local acts, who inspires you?
The artist lami ngithanda kakhulu MJ6.
Okay.
Yes. And then with DJ nitefreak.
Oh, nitefreak.
Yes. Yeah. Bewona amadoda la inspire kakhulu.
You walk push it.
Njengo MJ velu yampusha uye serious. Yabe
Hello is a good father.
Ngabe le mali proper haya mfumthengile by the way. Okay. Yeah. So ngiyeza vele ngaphusha, vele ngiyeza uthi mphusha kakhulu. Ngoba lami izinto ngizifunda kuwe. Yaye umuntu okay into lezizwa so ukuya ama skills nxa iposta lami okay inkope ukuthi okay wenza so. And then unitefreak imusic ayiproducer ngiyithanda. Isound yakhe yabona isound eNafrotic vele yangihlangisa ama elements wona lawa is electro vele angazi nga-explain ngithini but vele kusegazini so ibe ngimthanda nitefreak kakhulu ngoba laye vele he's the best now uyathowa
I'm a self-made
vele kuyafiwa into engichaza ukuthi uphume egazi yabo so lami
eziphume egazi
ziyam-inspire kakhulu.
Yes. And then internationally
obuya phezulu uDJ Shimza
iyafanana.
Siyafanana?
Yes, kahlale.
uDJ Shimza vele ku-Black Coffee.
Okay.
So I used to watch ama videos ka Shimza DJ so lami ngikopa ama skills ngoba it okay ngoba yenza so alami mana lami ngenza so but mina la mfuna ukuba lesami style so ukuthi okay Sida la simazi engumuntu enza so njengoba kathesi ngiyazwa nje umuntu uthi uDJ ochaya local yabona awona umuntu ochaya local njengami lapha nami vele ngiyazireta ezo number 1 vela kula yamazweni ochaya local nje akula nti
ngicabanga hayi
akula so ibongenza uShimza Black Coffee those guys aba inspire kakhulu.
Wena mawukhangela kubo DJ bonke laba abalocal, what's your greatest disappointment ngawo? Okudanisa kakhulu ngabo local DJ.
Lenzima le.
Ayikonzima.
Okundanisa kakhulu aba ngama local DJ local anti bachaya into efana nayo. Anti abafuna ngathi abafuna ukwenza ukuthi bebe le service key nje ukuthi wona guys singathusha insurance bese wo DJ abayi 6 or 5 aba local bazachaya into efana nayo bechaya ingoma ezifana nayo from start vele ngathi bebechaya ingoma ezaphandle ngayo so mina ngiyibona okay kunje so mana nangene engile
also that's a uniqueness
yakho vele dangerous ngakhona
hey dangerous ngakhona
vele ngene ngithi okay also bachaya so ngihle ngithi ngene local ngachaya local nxa sengiqeda komba bese ngene international bathi alami yakwanisa ukuyenza into yabo so uchaya local asukuthi angikwanisi lamo uchaya ingoma but lapha zama ukupusha
so lubasha home and away
okay kafiwa vele asibazwele.
Yes. Now I think we will give this platform to underworld underground gang. What do they have any questions? Do they have any compliments for DJ Sida? Or Chaya is Katesite? Yes. Underworld?
Okay, firstly I'd like to say congratulations to the DJ. It's been pushing local talent. Then umbuzo wami ukuthi I've been noticing serious buzz around Afro tech, Afro house. Is it a difference between, because the Afro house has been there from Miskati, Darabo, Skito, London. What's different about the Afro house Yakates? Is it the quality? Is it the packaging? Because when I check out DJ about Dala, they didn't get the opportunity on
all right, the Afro house and eyakathisi ilama elements amatsha yabona ama elements ngithemba ama elements ezinye isound yakhona ihard yezo ayifani lokuqala so ekathisi vele singathi jile yabo and then futhi okwenza ibe blind Afro tech Afro house and ikakhulu lapha eAfrica wananzelela nxa ufuna ukuthi music nxa ufuna ukuba blind ezini nxa ufuna ibe mnandi nxa futhi vocal ngcono edinga eKenya yabona usho mnana beKenya ilanguage yabo uthama utangu certificate yes yabona
one of the greatest
yes yabona ungachula nje okulibhithi kwakho ufaka ama vocals ona salukana ukufani ibo kwenze mnandi namakiyawo ayakuthanda wona
yes
so iAfro house ekathisi vele ijile electro vele kuyafika vele ngoba vele yona vele ivela ku electro ngoba wakhala vele isound yakhona vele is electro ndibona tsitsitsithi isound yanama
yes usida vele interview yonke vele kuyafika yes any underground gang wants to talk from the ground.
Well, I would like to say congratulations for making it this far. DJ Sida, it can only be hard work. But you have been going on and on about how you love music so much. I'm sure we all want to know, with everything that has been happening around you with your career, from where you're coming from and where you are today, what is the best soundtrack of your life right now? Ingoma A1, what is this song really speaks to me? It speaks about the good things and the bad things that have happened in my life, and it's so close to my heart.
Okay, ule ngoma lana ka nitefreak and the nitefreak tawu falling ayihlaba lo tangu steering uthambani uchire emazweni ni Canada falling uthi is falling what ingoma lana iyangimotivate kakhulu yabona in terms ngoba vele build up yakhona sound the way yenza ngayo indiyangihlangisa vele ila
yechanga
phakathi so vele you number 1 vele ngathi ingoma zika nitefreak vele ikakhulu
zishanga phakathi. And then in your own production, Sida, you told me about an experience lost Kaiva. How did it go about?
Hey, ayisaphumanga leyo.
That's the interesting part of movies.
azange asathola isikhathi sokuthi sihlale proper ngoba Skyver khana umuntu utshone busy. Umuntu wegazi. Yona igazi. Every time, fana, hayi satshune. So I was tired. This guy,
but we're still expecting from something from you when it was Skype.
Yeah. Yes,
Let's say don't be gas.
Yeah, afika sibili studio sakhe. Okay. Sa ponguba le layout nje. Dawo uzafaka ama elements lawo mina nzenza so. But akusaphumanga the way engango expect ngoba umuntu wayetshwele isithi awubhiza alisenza so. Yabo. But ngifisa ukukhipha ingoma Skyver ngiyafisa and ngiyakwazi zayikhipha kuphela. Nxa ngikhipha lo Skyver ngikhipha lo nitefreak imaduzaneni. Umnyaka lo upheli.
Okay. Nice. And what are you currently working on? Kathesi ngizokhuluma mention something to add.
Yeah, le project science a lot. Kathesi kubani?
Kathesi ku 11:26.
So ngifundisa ama-track ama-2 tackling my way and then Luhambo.
Okay.
Mid-September.
Mid-September.
Yes.
Okay.
So ziyakhali yona ingoma siyarekhodwa. Usethi si-must polish up lapha. Angijahanga vele ngilelanga lonke lesikhathi sonke angijahanga. But iyaphuma. Yes.
Underworld.
Ngeke ukhuluma lapho ngegazi ngosikhathi. Siyahleka but it's a conversation to you. Because uqhakathekile ukuthi ubone ama-lessons, ama-DJs amaningi bayawa ngegazi nabo-cherry into ezifana nalezi ama-drugs, into ezikhona kumele sikukhulume sibewazi. I know we've had this conversation before, but kumele sike sikuthi sikubambe sizwe ukuthi wena ukwanisa njani ngoba usuka kuma-stages the-scream o-cherry
bemthwekela kuma-turntable.
You understand? Kwesinye isikhathi kungekho ku-step 3 doing your solo gig uwedwa ukwanda. How do you handle that kind of?
Okay, oqala mina igasi angichayi kanti. Angichayi igasi.
Awuchayi vela uzangichayi.
Vela uzangichayi.
Awuzangichayi before.
Hayi vela uzangichayi igasi. Igasi ubhema. Vele asobangani bami. So
abangabakho cherry.
Hayi. Lena inature anyeke sikubalekile.
Inature kuluma 4.
Angeke ngithi ayangona disipha ungazi ngafaka ngithina but
uyabaluma.
Hayi bayaluma bona babaluma. Okay, igas anti aso problem which igas but it was control like oqathekile. Yabona ungasithela igas yakho usiqedile umsebenzi wakho yenzayo is fine. Kumujalo sendlini. Kulala abantu ukuthi hayi mina angikwanisi ukwenza into engachayi ngimbanje wangikwanisa ukwenza into engachayi igas. Mina ngazi ngadalo ngeindlela. Lapho engakhulela khona bamfundisa ukuthi mfana xa ukuba nje yenza so. Ngivele ngikhawo lomuntu onathayo. Abantu onathayo.
Abachayi veli gazi.
Abachayi gazi.
Bazibhemela.
Hayi ababhemi.
Because bengifuna nje sikucaphise kulabanye maybe uthola khona nxa umkhayelo sasemncane.
Great potential.
Potential insaneni. Labanye babe ukukhangela besithi ngibona kanje ngosida uyi-role model kwabanye abantu manje. Nalapho kusuke khona because sizobalisa imbali yakho lapho usuka khona. Lapho usukhona lapho khangela uya khona. So ama-conversation anjengalawo kumele sibekwazi. Lawo nxa ukhuluma labanye isize zabo because abanye bekunzima. Kumele bethole isifundo ukuthi how do you manage because kwesikhathi uyathola uma-spaces ukuthi njengokuthi uyachaya igwanda ojeje ababezenzela into zabo bazibhemela bazinathela then you get offered yokuchayela engce isethi echaza abantu bekuchazela buya ngapha sithenge lapho tshele watwala. How do you control how do you control yourself from that?
Okay, next question. Mina ngile vision oqala ngekolo ukuthi ngifuna ukuya ngapi in the next coming years. So ngafihle ngiqalise vele ukwenza into ezinjalo. I'm dead.
Dead.
I'm dead. So ngiyazicontrola ngenzela ukuthi nxa isikhathi sami sesifike sokuthi sithi naso ready mfana sozamela uhambe ngikwazi vele ngifresh yonke into right. So kuchaya ibhiya lokubhema yes kwabanye ku right but mina hayi angihamba phela hayi asobangana ukuhambelana. So mina ngifuna ukuyakachana ngifuna ukuphusha so vele yikho ngingabamba into lezi zingangigugisa ngisencane. Ngenzela ukuthi abasakhulayo nti bebe motivate okay usidweza so ngifuna lama abantu be follow ama steps ami lami engawenza yabo. So ngifuna abantu befunde ngami ukuthi lami ekwazi okay kulabantu abanandelayo abafunda izinto engizenzayo lami. So lami ngifuna khona ibhiya be right angizavela ngicriticize umuntu onathi ibhiya nxa umuntu uyanatha khuleka ku right but mina esathi lamayi
ayikho shame. And then Sida, you realized in this industry, especially Bulawayo, this industry is not well paying, and sometimes it says I'm a DJ, they are bacha almost for free, abanye bacha voluntarily, and yes, so we have that situation whereby when you love what you do, you're very passionate about it, but then financially because whatever the things that you want to do. So how do you balance the two between your passion and the financial?
Okay, so zamele ube lento la wenza ezawunikeza imali eceleni. Ngavele nxa usiliselepo kumbe sokuthi kumbe artist. Mele uhlale representable, punctual, smart, proper photo shoots. Kwanze la uthenga into zakho. Like ama laptop, controller kumbe yini, flash. So mele ube lento la uyenza eceleni ezawunikeza imali ukuthi kwanza ukuinvesta kwento oyifunayo. Yabo. Ya uchamara angeke ngithi ku wrong. And but at the same time ku wrong. Amela ngichala mali esikhathi eside. Maybe 2 or 3 shows ngachamara laphana ufuna ugain lokho confidence or force kulisa to market your brand. So yeah.
Okay. And there's something unique about you, Sida. I've seen my shows, season, and I've seen you save the moment or Sida saves the show. Whereby we are getting new DJ fair. People are now getting bored. But then when you come and just one song, you have to be better. Oh, where's that?
Okay, so yes,
I know you mentioned the crowd and everything. No, but there's something unique about you.
Ngingakhuluma ukuqase ngathi mina angilali and webusuku bonke. So ngiyalalela zonke ingoma yabona yonke genre nayachaya yonke genre. Yes, le genre ngithandayo sibili nathi iAfro house. But nxa sengitshela abantwana ngiyalalela ukuthi okay ngesikhathi sonke ubusuku bonke ukuthi okay nxa ngikwazi sasa ngile show ngiyalala ngipractice ukuthi right isettle ngayichaya abantu bengakholisa kumbe bethi kulenye iset backup lenye iset so nginavele nje nama set ayi 20 songs. So into leyo ukuthi mina ngena ngichaya abantu behlangi ngathi skill right lokupractice mina ngiyapractice kakhulu so yeah andali vele waya vele kuyashesha.
Underground gang ile question.
So DJ Sida Lombuzo, I'm sure you've noticed it in industry, whereby at some point a talent becomes overshadowed by a connection. When as a DJ you faced a situation where like you miss a lot of posters or shows because you're not connected to the same person or Falabandula, despite being so talented. And then what are you doing about it in terms of who connector for your brand and all that, so that the next upcoming DJ or who are ever was the rely on talent alone?
Okay, okunye ukusitshelela phansi yamartist njengo DJ. Yabona kuba lo manager qhathe kakhulu. Yabo. So I role evile yazidlala ku manage ukuthi okay. yes vele ngathi kulama artist labo DJ abayilabo manager kube labo abalo manager umanager umsebenzi welula ayawudingela umsebenzi ethi anginomfana nje eza so but wena nxa personal wedwa yabu uloku esaba phakathi okay ingafika lapha ngicela i-shoulder madoda umuntu lenganikeza akaze akabone lapha enchakhona so yama challenges amaningi abantu bayasaba ukufika becela ama-shows yabo so endaweni enje nje yiko sodlala khona i-role ka-manager so nxa ule manager is easy umsebenzi wakhe yabulula yakudingela imisebenzi yakwenzele everything okwakho ufika uchaya kuphela but nxa ungela manager yiko sokuya khona nje ubunzima ngoba bengakwazi okay kulomfana othi angusida but yabo le talent yabo chance mina ngiyazibelieve mina I think if right now whereas I'm the best of the best DJs in Bulawayo ngiyazibelieve sibili but konke ukuthi ama connections siyawaswela ngobabantu abasazi yabo so yikusuke ubenzima khona
uphendulekile
Too much.
yes underground
All right. Partly he has answered the question that I had for him. Maybe saying upon way sparkorate and Jefeda. What do you think are the most challenging aspects about being a DJ? Because being a DJ, you are in different events, you are in different environments, you meet different people. Abathanda groove. So what are some of the challenges that you face with and in between in and in between your career or your job?
Okay, uyibeke kahle. Ama challenges kulobo gogo, kulobo khulu, kulama 2K. Kulezane zegas. Yabo. So kule ngathi vele kule ngawufaka ngithi yabona imusic yakhuluma nje so yabuka tsora togogo wafuna into ezinje okhulu wafuna into ezinje ama-trick yafuna into ezinje lalaba no ozibonda yabo wafuna into ezinje so into enzakala lapha nxa ngu-DJ is hard ukuchayela abantu abadala ngoba abantu abaningi vele thina karesi isikhathi sekiswa singama-2K nabe ngili-2K
isengomsebenzi
2K isengomsebenzi so kule ngoma ezakudala le singazalwa so nxa ngu-DJ you have to research and ube yazi music yakho uthi okay ngihamba evintage so ngiyecha logogo so mina ngibe punch maybe make sure ukuthi ingoma engisichayayo zihambelana ne-crowding engiyiyo and yeah
underworld okay umele samathu yachiseni
because ngaphendulanga ngendlela
nina ngafaka kwesipagoleti zira amasimba afaka kwesipagoleti zira amasimba la hayi kona ngifeka odakala ngiyengezwa no man kukhona ukuzablock istitch la
ngifake ithi-bad kugoga abathanda i-groove.
Yes, auntie abasithakazelayo.
Auntie ama-driver crazy ngama-2K. Since you said you are a 2K. Udlala uyi-1. How do you handle such? Because bazabuya vele bazakufikela.
Ngiyabaleka.
Phela bafika benemali ababuye kwamafani. Sebeke bafikela.
Incident. I like umbuzo kaBelsi. I think there's one time ahamba Tonko.
Kumnandi.
Yeah. Things happen. I think that's why Melissa bangena khona.
Befuna ukumlungisa.
Yeah. So you can't make some good. You can't afford playing with your. Those are proper challenges. Because abantu ababuya abakukhangeleyo. Some about fanana abantu talked about who's control area but now ufike incident enjengayo naleyo and bakhona basazobuya futhi abantu because we talked about touring. Ama scenarios outside they are different. Bulala, tothi kunikela kuwezi. Khona kyana uyenza njani, wawenza njani. Wasuka khona phana khathesi ukhayelethi going forward uyenza njani. That kind of a situation.
Kadlamlomo lese kuma andiza yini.
Exactly. Ikona kumelisa khona. Because ama 2Ks amaningi afast ashish. But he managed to get away from that situation. Ultimately his focus is looking forward. We craft is we take it serious. Ikona kumelisa khona because these are very important lessons to amanye ama 2K abafuna ukungena windows. That is wabona abanye mama like even when for instance umasala wakho when she called uthi umntana will be able to handle India because industry lobungozi what not khathesi sikhuluma isibali into eziningi ukusukuhamba everything sukuhamba indawo eziningi uwedwa okunye maybe singabe sithothi maybe ngingasikwazi but ngendlela wena currently okukhangelele ngayo okuyendla ngayo esikwazi ngayo plus futhi uhlala u1 ikumelisa lapha khona iqhazu lekhonapho ukuthi wayendla njani wasuka njani engikhayela ukuyendla njani usiyaphambili.
Alright. Ngasho ukuthi I'm focused.
Asitshela story soon.
Antu wafika wenza njani manje?
Ndiyafuna udlungula, ngizalo kuyani.
Those are serious allegations mfana. Why unganjela?
But into engayisho ukuthi sonke sinabantu benyama.
Yona le answer le ngiyalitshela.
Sonke sinama feelings anti.
Yes, khuluma mfana true.
Wona so lije wena. Kulama feelings umuntu. But nxa umuntu ulento ofu uyenza. No matter what, try la ukuthi okay. Ngiyenza into enje kusasa ngiza khayina nje umuntu onjani. Ngoba vele usazohamba, basazobaningi abazobuya abantu. Anti. So vele kuba focus. Kube kwazi into oyifunayo. Ngoba ungathethekile uyahamba 6 feet.
Yes. So Sida, now that you've said that, it's impossible for you to do that without uchero wako. Uchero komba. It's impossible for you to do that without uchero wako. Uchero komba. Because now you see him and sing. No, we are hammer 6 feet. No, we are hammer 6 feet.
I am calling uchero. Yesinye siqapho besihle njani. Shiro ne motivator. Push sibita. Okay baby.
Yes, so
yeah.
I think in to protect you, if they bother you, just forward the numbers to me. Or you just tell the person, come and see. Come. Yes. So Sida, like what they're asking is very much important because at the end of the day, I think as just we see art here 2 years. Underground gang, if you know something.
Right, so sike sizositwa zabe Harare. Wayekweru.
Wayegwanda.
So how was it like ilokuzini like ama switch up la I know you learn ama language. You learn lokudinga abangana abatsha and like how did it affect you growing up and how did it also play a big role ku career yakho because I'm sure it's shown yasazi indewela yasazi.
Yeah, no doubt.
Let's check it.
Okay. Yeah, handike ngathi ngityaza le Harare. Harare ngaso yayincane le in fact. Incane. Singabuye eGwanda. So ngibuye eGwanda ngangakwazi vele into ethayisa indebele. Ngakwazi ukuthawulela isindebele vele ngangixhaqada lapha. But njengomuntu wabantu njengento esegazini mina vele mina abangana ndinga wazi vele ayabangana angangiyelo khona ukuthi okay ngizahamba nje ngithi sesebona umngane wami lakathezi vele into engilaka this so mina abantu bebebuya ngithi okay Sida uvela Harare so yabo okunye kwanginceda kakhulu esikolo yabona esikolo yiko ngaqala khona ukuyaziwa ngabantu lento esisuka sebuya ngapha ya manje ngapha kwaba ngifika lapha wangani usendazule ngoba ukuhlala ama Paris Yangani umuntu uzawubamba inkunzi ekwenze hayi. But ngamanage ukuthi la ngikwanisa ukuinteract nabantu.
Kube
Kathesi ngikhuluma so angilamngani. Angilamngani uthamta nginomngani nangilamngani.
okay.
Hayi. Angilamngani.
Yes. So okay. Sida, we like recently in Sky's Metro, there's been a massive exodus of our presenters, whatsoever that has been happening there. How has that affected you being part of that family? How has it affected you? Has it created uncertainty? What position has it placed you in, that massive exodus of people from that institution?
Okay, mina oqala ngizwa ngomsebenzi.
Yes.
Ngizwa ngomsebenzi. Ebona imali into ethi money. I-problem.
Okay.
Money problem. Khaya ngani into financial problems and stuff. But mina angukhanyi mina vela ngilanda ukuthi udinga imali nalanda ukuzoyenza isipani sami ngikhule ngekhashana ngoba beyike vision. Angeke ngithi wangi-affect, angeke ukuthi ungi-affectile. But at the same time waphinda wangi-affecta futhi ukuthi okay why abantu laba ngavele sokuthi try yakuthi hayi xa kusenzakala so phela ukuthi biza ukuzabuya la kimi. Yakuzozuza ukuthi okay izenza njani vele khona. But hayi ngokuthi mina ngilokuchisa kaphakathi into zemusic ngiyazithanda. Mina kwambe ngiphusha isipani ngishune lokho la lokho qede ngihambe.
Yes. And also just words of encouragement. Things begin, things end.
Yes.
So when I just be in a position to accept,
Yeah.
wherever,
Accept and move on.
Accept and move on. That's my motto. Just accept things and move on. Everything is a start. Everything is a beginning.
Yes.
But I'm liking how you're pushing. I'm liking how you're doing it. Before we close, anything from the underworld, underground.
Sikhangeleleni sisiyaphambili in terms of because siyesezwa lapha sisungena ku production.
Okay.
In terms of ama-production sebenzi usiyaphambili. Kusida nje generally sikhangeleleni as a brand DJ Sida sikhangeleleni sisiyaphambili.
Okay, in the next coming years, in the next coming months, I'm expecting more music and more gigs. Above all, more money.
More money, yes.
So more music, more gigs. Yeah.
Yes. So see that someone wants to book you. How do we go? How do they go about it?
Just contact my manager.
Manager will come back.
I fought hard at Deb 3 months.
Okay. So anybody who's looking for you, just come to Deb 3 offices, call us.
Yeah, it's managed by Deb 3. I can't
Yes, Deb 3
Yes.
Yeah.
Deb 3.
Wafilike mkhulele khona iyaye ngiqale khona.
Yes. So those are the guys that are managing.
Ngisekhaya lapha.
Yes. So if we ufuna ukubook, they just and you're available for our weddings.
Yes.
For yonke inyaka except our aunt.
Yeah. Except our aunt. Yeah.
Underworld, do you have anything to say?
One more. Siyabona kulezikipa, kulamajaketi. Are we expecting any merchandise? Mowakho wethu. Siyokwazi sigcina izimali.
Yeah. Lokho ngathi sazama ukulungisa but kalesi so easy. Yonke into vele iyahle la kumanager wami zathi yonke into vele in terms of brand, iskipa, makepesi, managers ayendla. So yonke into vele yes uyabuya ngakhaya.
And he's a sneaker boy, but he loves sneakers. He loves sneakers. Okay. Well, how did you fall in love? What kind of thing is that?
Akakhula ngqo ipatapata.
Iko ngipushayo.
Njengomuntu vele ukhulu sidla umbhida ngokola Suqala ukudlinyama uthi ungayichiya
Awuchiva.
so yiko aqala khona yiko ngithanda ama sneakers kakhulu ngoba ngadubeka kakhulu.
On Facebook, DJ Sida.
Yes.
On Twitter, DJ Sida.
Yes.
Yes, DJ Sida or Chai local isikhathi eside.
Indoda esindala.
Hey, we are Sida futhi.
Ngiyasinda.
Service, yes. Thank you Nyabonga Dam for Fimfo Show, and please siyacela for Fimfo family and the underground gang, please make sure that you join our patrons account and be part of the family wire supporting us. It's cheap, $5 a month, and please make sure if you want an excellent event, your satisfaction our priority, Deb 3 events and all the designs for all your graphics, and then photo cinematography Nicolane, they are available for all your visuals. If you want your visuals for weddings, for your company profiling to be done in visuals, please make sure that you get in touch with us. And I'm Sipome Sentinyati. If you want an MC, a host for any of your event, Danki Nyabonga, I'm available. Damn from Film for Show. Izobab.